Have you ever been to Teotihuacan? Something really interesting happened to me there. This guy whose nickname was Gorilla giving us this wonderful tour. And he goes, wait right here. And we're in this giant square. And he runs down this dirt mountain about 150 feet away. And he goes, can you hear me? And it was like, oh my God. I could hear him. He goes, this square was built with these mountains here to be able to speak at this voice to 250,000 people.
Whoa.
And I was like, what?
Did it make sense, like the acoustics, like the way it's set up?
Because I play music as I thought, okay, that means these acoustics are so perfect. Like, how do you discover that? Are you in a canyon and you're like, wow, this sounds, can you hear me over there? Right. And then you sort of triangulate and start doing the geometry for how that works. How does that manifest itself, that understanding?
Yeah, how many thousands of years did it take before they figured out how to construct something?
Yeah, where someone on their deathbed is like, wait, one last thing
I gotta
about acoustics.
Sound kind of bounces off shit.